Hey, this is BlindFox and welcome at my ration review. Please support the channel, please subscribe and please go and donate on patreon.com. Sorry about this, I'm just fixing this. So if you don't know about patreon.com, go and donate there. You can donate any amount. It will go directly from your account. It's sort of it's a subscription, but you don't have to subscribe. You can subscribe for a month or two and then unsubscribe. And you can do any amount of you want to do. But anyway, let's see. MRE International again, ration pack. Day free, and as usual, no indication of whatever pack this is. So this is supposed to be their their tactical deluxe ration. If I go on the menu I've ordered and what is in here and the stuff. Again, I don't like it because they don't tell you what ration you have. So if you've got free menu freeze of different types of rations, you don't know what ration you have because they don't tell you. They just tell MRE International and their day in their the ration day. So this is day 3. Oh, like all of the others, and I of course don't have my knife with me. But it's easy to open. It's in a box. It's got a clear plastic around this. This was packed in 2022. And my normal ration provider, I sort of struggle to get rations from them because apparently demand is so high that, well, at this stage they don't offer rations. Or they don't have a lot and they run out of stuff. So we've got MRE vegetable pasta in tomato, 400 grams. Does this look like a vegetarian ration as well? Let's see. Savory soya rice. Yeah, this is also a vegetarian ration. The menu free we had from the Deluxe South African or the Premium South African ones, where they've got the two, their menu free was also a vegetarian ration. And I can't remember if the one that was on the website was a vegetarian ration. I'm not sure. But this is supposed to be another one. And we've got an isotonic drink. Do we actually know what this is? Let's see, isotonic drink. Oh no, sorry, this is not isotonic drink. This is soup and it's chicken. It's weird that they say, because a lot of this stuff they just don't say, but it's so small. You really have to look for it. This is your lactose-free drink. And I can't find anything there. That is just the normal stuff that's on there. I don't think of that. Nope, this is not. There's nothing that says what this is. That's what I also don't like about them. Real problem. They don't tell you what you are ordering. It's just annoying. Some of the stuff has got names on it, some of it doesn't. Here's an isotonic drink. Ah, peach apricot. I hate this one. Another isotonic drink. It's my thing that's sort of flat. And where is it? Tropical. Again, a lot like this other rations. We've got porridge. And they just say porridge. They don't say what is it. There is no name on it. Into one it's freaking banana, but there is just nowhere there's a name on it. See, and it's really frustrating because I mean, you really want to know what you're going to eat before you eat it. So very much the same as besides the meals as which we got in the one of the other rations. We've got some fruit bars. I'm not sure if they say what kind it is. We've got some 8 fuel tablets, and I will remove this as quickly as possible because it's got a smell. We've got 2 peanut butters. So far this looks a lot like the South African, what was it? It was either a deluxe or a premium depending where you look. Besides from the meals that differ. Here we've got mystery tea. They don't say what it is, of course. Cheddar cheese. Provitas. A chutney and a tomato sauce or ketchup. Peanut chocolate flavors. It looks like a lot of the rations are very similar-ish. And then we've got this big package. So far this is everything we have. If I compare it to the vegetarian meal, that was accidentally also menu number 3 in the South African one, it's very much the same stuff, I think. Except the 2 main meals, yeah. I think, if I couldn't remember. But chicken soup in a vegetarian meal? Well, I presume it's vegetarian since it's tomato and stuff, but... Well, then around here some farmers think chicken are vegetables, so... Maybe it's more cultures in South Africa that think so. We've got some bags. Little bags you can use to put your stuff in. I won't really use it for drinks and stuff because it's not really very stout. So, 2 sweets. 3 sweets, 2 gums. We've got our matches. 4 sweets. 3, yeah. 1, 2, sorry. Yeah, 4 sweets, 3 gums, water purification stuff. Stupid little menu. Some 6 sweets, 7 sweets. Just keep the sugars there. Some more water purification stuff. Another gum, 8 sweets. Looks like 10 sweets so far. Some more water purification stuff and 2 salts. I think it's 4 or 5 gums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 sugars. We've got 6 creamers and 2 coffees. And of course this lovely bag. So I'll divide this up into meals and see you for breakfast. And it was the South African, so not South African, the MRE International, which is a South African brand, the Tactical Deluxe menu number 3. And it sort of looks vegetarian-ish because we've got a MRE vegetable and tomato pasta, or vegetable pasta and tomato, and we've got the soya, is it soya rice? Yes, savory soya rice. So I don't think I had the savory soya rice yet in any ration. Anyway, so I'll divide this up into meals and see you then. So please go and donate on patreon.com. Please support the channel. Please subscribe and see you at my next ration review.